Alright, do you want to talk to him again?
Hold on, I'm playing with my squirrel.
He said he's playing with the squirrel, so.
Gonna feed him some more bread.
The squirrel comes to the door and begs for food now.
Look at him. He's waiting for me.
Yeah. No, the inside door. Yeah, the porch door. He sits there and stares at us. Bread, like cracked corn. You know, like cracked corn you buy it like the birds. Yeah, he eats it like that. Well, he doesn't eat the corn out of his hand. He eats the bread out of his hand. That'll have rabies.
Is that good? Well, see you tomorrow.
They don't have eggs. They don't have eggs, do they?
Yummy. Yummers.
Have little babies. I don't know.
Mr. Nutters. Out.